Hey guys. Um, Today I'm going to be doing a little coding tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you some code examples on a Minecraft mod that I am making, so you can learn a little bit about coding, and it's also coding on a fun game. So let's get started. So right here you can see all this stuff right here, and it looks lot really complicated, but these little box like things with the cross running through them are called packages. Now these hold things like classes and stuff, and classes are what you put code in. So well, right here I have the main registry, which is the main thing of the mod, which runs everything. And right here there you see it has the package name, which is ML right here, ML77 wait, where is that? Sorry. Oh yeah, and right there the main package, and then it's importing other things. um, so it's you can see it's importing robotic stick, and that comes so it can import all this code, so like all this, so it can run it. And you can see I imported other stuff from other things, and 1 second, it's acting up on me. So if we go back to the main registry, you can see all this confusing stuff right here. So right here is where everything is. So here's like the mod ID, the name, and the version, which you will see is put in there, which comes from ref strings right there, which I can put everything in. And then here we have something that will run it so that it will get the block. So like these are events, so it will run it. And there are some proxies, so it will work. And as you can see, so if we and let's go into the robotic stick, which you saw. This gives it every little thing, so it's like in the creative tab. You can get it by going into the material tab, and then it's the unlocalized name is our stick, and then we rename it by going into this language file and naming the um, uh, the blocker item, and so it will show up in the game. Now, showing you the stick, but it's a little different for the block. You can see item in the block. You can probably say it says block instead, and you can get it by going into tab block. A little different, but still same thing. These are the proxy files. It just sort of mans the code or something. And yeah, ref strings. We got the the, this block file actually gives it everything, and yeah, right. So that's all the code. Most of the code actually. That's most of the code. So what does happen is now we're going to look how it works. So if we go and minimize this and go into the Minecraft, that will, if you look here, it says when you click run, this will open up, and if you click on mods, it will show my mod named robotic mod from the name, and the version right there, alpha 1.0.2, if you saw that. And then if we go into single player, I already have a world played, and if we go and play that, it will come in, and as you can see, Let me just break that. But as you can see, it doesn't have a texture, as you can see, and that is the given texture, just a little pink and black checkerboard. And I will be actually working on the textures. That's what I am doing. And for as you can see, we have the robotic stick right there. Robotic stick. It doesn't have a texture, as you can see. And if we go into materials and scroll the way down, it's right there. And then if I close that, you can't really place it. Doesn't really do anything. You can't get in survival. And here we have the robotic block. And it doesn't. And these items don't do anything yet because I haven't programmed them to do anything. And right there, that is glorious. Has a non-textured item. I mean block. And you can't obtain it in survival. And if we go into the building blocks, scroll all the way down, you see it's right there, robotic block. And now for some comparisons, I'm thinking of changing the robotic stick. You can see the stick in the blaze rod. I'm working on a texture that will make it look like in that shape, maybe like white or something. Robotic block, let me use comparisons. I'm thinking of it maybe being a mix of a diamond block and an iron block, but anyway, that's later. And so that is the tutorial for the coding on Minecraft mods, and it's complicated, but if you like this, you can go on YouTube to another um, channel, and there is a lot of people who give coding tutorials, and also Khan Academy uses the code drawing thing to help you get little basics of code using like a canvas and stuff. And I highly recommend those, so let your coding face show. Woo! Yay! Okay. See you guys later. Goodbye.